Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So today's video, I thought I would share with you how to use a Gua Sha for the cheek area. So I'm going to do a little light tutorial if you like. This will also help lift up the cheeks. We're going to do a bit of sculpting, which will also help improve the lower parts of the face. We're then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. Now, first things first, I do like to start off with clean skin, and I am using a little bit of facial oil just because it helps a bit more slip and glide. You don't have to, but whatever you do apply on your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. So I kind of almost think of it as almost like a double bubble, if you like. So you're getting your Gua Sha in, plus you're also helping penetrate even better with the Gua Sha with your product. So I'm just placing just above the cheekbone here, under the cheekbone and the lower part of the face, and just down by the side of the neck here towards the collarbone. So first of all, we're going to take the long parts here, almost like a bow, placing one hand as an anchor, and we're just very gently gliding from the jawline all the way up towards the cheek. And we're going to go as far as we can under the cheek and then just give it a little wiggle. And we'll just do this a few times, working our way along. Now, I like to use my Gua Sha tool fairly flat for more surface area, but obviously personal preference, how flat you like this to be. And I also I'm actually using sort of light to medium pressure at this point. And one last time on this area, lifting up as far as you can towards that bone. And then on the other side, so again, fingers as an anchor, taking the bow part, starting almost where those marionette lines could possibly start, all the way along up towards the nostril and the cheekbone, smoothing everything out. So once we've done that, I'm now going to use the end part here, and I'm just going to massage fairly flat the side of the nostril where we hold plenty of tension in a slow round circular motion, and then the other way. And then gliding lower part of the face under the cheekbone towards the ears. And you want to get this top part right under that cheekbone area, sculpting it. And then on the other side, again, the end part, just massaging the side of the nostril here. And then the other way. Nice round circular motion. And then gliding along the lower part of the face and under that cheekbone. So now I'm going to use the top parts here, and I'm working. So this part is going to be between the cheekbone, above and low, and just very gently glide. Just do this very nice and light 3 times. And then on the other side. And then we're going to take the end again and just gently glide down the front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ear. And then for the bow part again, we're just gliding down the big SEM muscle down to the collarbone. On the other side, by the front of the ear, just glide a few times. And then behind the ear. And then the bow part, big SEM muscle down to the collarbone, towards the ears. Nice lymphatic drainage release. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have a couple of indentations if you like. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within this cheekbone area using our Gua Sha tool into the body ready for elimination. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also a thumbs up if you found the video useful, and comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.